Hi, this is Zach Tech DIY Network YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna tell you how to replace key fob battery for Honda. If you have Honda Civic, Honda Accord, Odyssey, or any other Honda model which has this kind of key, like it comes like for the latest models from 2013 and onward, is like for all Honda models 2017, 2020, 21, 2020, 22. So we are going to replace key fob battery. Like sometime you get message, oh, your key battery is low, replace your key fob battery. So it's very simple. If you have this kind of key, there is a button on this side. Just push this word and pull the key out. You can see this button. Just push this side and pull the key out. You can see inside like that, and you don't know how to open the whole key fob box. Simple. Use this key and insert inside of these two latches or these two walls. Push inside and turn clockwise or anti-clockwise. Yeah. And you will see it is open. Now you can open like this. Right here, like that. And this is just, these are stickers fell out right here. It's not a big deal. And replacing. This is the battery you need. CR2032. You can use any brand, Sony, Panasonic, but the number should be the same, CR2032. And this is the most common battery used for key fob for Honda, Nissan, and other make. Also for garage door openers outside, like at the cordless key pad for the garage door opener. They are using the same. Okay. If you are replacing just this one and take the new one, the same number, put the inside, that's it. And after like replacing the new battery, we can close it. This side is like right here, and you can see those buttons. And same will be open. We just push board on the bottom first, and then on the top. That's it. We are done. The key inside. Right here. We have the new battery right now. If you like my channel, please subscribe button. Thank you for watching.